song, purely Kali. From the outside have burned, down on the inside is bahala na. World Mistress, moving up by the rest, top shot, Madam Leonora. Entry number 2, Friendly Fire. Bahala na, Friendly Fire, top shot, World Mistress, and Profit Sharing. Friendly Fire by Daral Bahala na, World Mistress is alongside third, racing on the outside is Hepburn, Profit Sharing, Purely Kali, and entry number 8, rather number 7, Gray Magic, top shot, Super Elegant, Madam Leonora. Friendly Fire, World Mistress pokes his nose from the outside to grab the lead. It's now World Mistress, Friendly Fire, Hepburn, and Purely Kali, Super Elegant as they race to final corner. World Mistress by about 3 lengths, followed now by Super Elegant and Friendly Fire, Gray Magic, Purely Kali, Hepburn. World Mistress in full throttle by about 3 lengths. Super Elegant in second. And nearing the finish line, the horse of Mr. Puts Puyat, World Mistress. Second, Super Elegant, Gray Magic, Purely Kali. Entry number 2, Friendly Fire. 2A, Hepburn, Profit Sharing, top shot. Bahala na, Madam